How does this work? I always get like scared and I shouldn't have done that. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing my third Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. So I got my box like a few days ago and I just been dying to open it, but I want to save for the video so I could be genuinely surprised and everyone will see my first reaction and everything, like genuine. So I'm gonna open the box now, and again, as I mentioned in previous videos, I wish they would do a bag. It wouldn't kill them to do a bag instead of this like wrapping thing that they do. Of course I'm gonna save it because that's who I am. And this year they did this theme. I'm not really for sure. Oh, by the 7 Lucky Gods theme. So this is what it looks like. And then let me remove. Alright, first thing I see is a Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray. So it is one of these setting sprays. Skindinavia is like the OG brand. They're the ones who, like, I think first kind of came up with this, and I know they used to or still do the Urban Decay setting sprays, so that's pretty cool. Setting sprays are really good for me because I use powder foundation, and if you wear powder foundation, I feel like you should set it with some kind of mist because then it helps it like set to your skin a little bit better. So I'll definitely get use of this, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really like thrilled about this because I do like the Mario one that's like $7. I got a Wayne Goss number 16 brush. This I am excited about because I love makeup brushes because I hate washing them, so getting new ones, you know, kind of delays that process. And Wayne Goss, I got a brush last year, the Air brush, and it's like the one for powder, and I love it. It's so soft, it's so beautiful. So this looks like, I'm pretty sure it's a crease brush, and I think I'll definitely get really good use out of it. And like I said, it really feels soft already just on my hands. And it's just pretty. I love the white. I'm all into like the white bristles, and it's just really pretty, really nicely I feel like nicely put together brush. And yeah, really excited about that. The next thing I see in here is a Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine spray, and this is what this looks like. Last year I got the texturizing spray that everybody loves, and of course I don't really care about it because it's not for my kind of hair. My hair is already gritty and builds texture. Like, I don't need assistance in that department. But I'm happy I got it last year because I wanted to buy it, even though deep down I knew it wasn't for me. So the fact that I got it, you know, for free last year was like, you know, was cool. So to get another Oribe product, you know, is really nice. The scent's nice. I probably shouldn't have sprayed my hand like that. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna be like a really nice shine spray. I like shine sprays because my hair does get dull. So yeah, that was this one. I got a bioderma. I feel like they always throw in a bioderma. This is like my third one, you know, through the Lucky Bag. It's okay. I'm not the biggest fan of bioderma. I do like the Garnier micellar waters. I think the drugstores make really nice ones, and honestly I'm all about the Korean skincare right now, so I do like my Korean balm remover, and then I always just go in with a cleanser. So I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, which is funny because I was gonna get this one. It had went on sale at Sephora to like $24, and I was gonna buy it, but I went with the Moonchild kit, and I ain't gonna lie, like, it kind of bothered me that I didn't get both. So I'm really excited about this one. I do love, like, I'm not gonna use these as you know, like on my face because I really don't care for highlight like that, but I'll definitely be using it as like eyeshadow or like inner corner highlight. So these are some swatches right here, and that's what the colors look like. I got, oh, is this from The Ordinary? Ooh, this is from, so you know The Ordinary has DCM has 3 brands, like The Ordinary being the cheapest. Then it's like, I think it's this one, the Hylamide brand. And then it's like Indeed or something with the N. So this is the HA Blur Hyaluronic Base Primatic Blurring Surface Finisher. I'm assuming this is like a primer and I would put in, it would like help like plump up my face and all that. Funny thing, I was looking at something like this the other day because I do follow a skincare blog and they were talking about this, so this is exciting. I'll definitely be using this and I will let you guys know how I feel about that. There you go. The last thing I got is this Jouer Skinny Dip Collection Ultra Foil Shimmery Shadows. I like the Jouer lip topper, so this is really exciting. I didn't even know they had shadows, to be honest. Ooh. The shadows look like that. And let's see some swatches. Ooh, these are really intense. I really am liking this starlight color over here. And then these are some swatches over there. So really, really pretty. Really pretty. And I always like to just check and make sure like nothing gets, you know, misplaced or anything like that or lost. This is it. Okay guys, I think that was it. So back to review what I'm most excited about to least excited about. To be honest, I'm not really excited about this bag, period. I think this is probably the worst one I've ever gotten. And, you know, I just expected a little bit better stuff in here. Things like Jouer, where I know go on super sale, and this Anastasia kit that I know was 20 bucks, kind of make me not appreciate this bag as much because, like as a Jouer, like, they're nice, but I really, I would have preferred like Natasha Denona or like a Tom Ford, like something really cool like that versus these items, especially like this. And like I said, the glow kit, I mean, I was eyeing it, so it's pretty cool, but I could have bought it down the line for like 20 bucks and it would have been fine. So again, to like make it least to best, I would probably do the bioderma as my least because it's bioderma. I feel like it's a throw in. I know some people really love bioderma, so I'm not gonna fault them for throwing it in the box, but for me, it's not my favorite thing, so I don't need it. And it's funny that we're talking about, like, I prefer this. This is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. So like this right here, to me, it's much more than comparable. I think it's actually better. Not this particular one though. The mattifying one is okay. I just like the normal one, the pink or the blue. But like I said, yeah, like I could just get this and I'll be totally fine. So that's probably my least favorite item. Then I would probably have to go with the setting spray because again, I like the Mara Badescu ones that are super cheap and those work perfectly fine for me. So again, another item I personally did not need. Then I brought this at the Jouer eyeshadow kit. While the shadows are nice, I have plenty of eyeshadows and the colors themselves just don't call my name and I don't gravitate towards them, so I don't think I would really get much use out of this. So this might be something I might give to like one of my sisters. You know, I just don't really see me gravitating towards this thing at all. Next on my list would probably be glow kit. This I will use and I'm happy I got it, but again, I could have purchased this for like 20 bucks, so I just don't see it as like this lavish grand surprise like other things have been for the beauty box. I mean, I'm sorry, for the Lucky Bag. So it's just like a meh product to me also. Then it'll probably be the Oribe spray, just because I feel like Oribe just doesn't make hair products for someone with my kind of hair. While their products are really cool, and I think the price point does make them very like, ooh, I want to try them because they're so luxurious, I know deep down they're just not meant for my kind of hair. So I just don't think like this is something I'm going to get a lot of use out of because it probably has mad alcohol in it and I can't. Then would probably be this item. This is the primer I was just mentioning just because I was recently eyeing it. And again, I really have been liking my Ordinary products. So to try the middle brand, I feel like it's pretty cool. And then the number one thing I like is the brush. I love makeup brushes and I do like Wayne Goss. I guess I only have one, but I love that brush because it's just so lightweight and just feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't cause me any irritation, so I really do like it. So this is probably like the best thing in the box. So I think next year I'll probably definitely do the box again because it's just worth it to me, like at the end of the day, because it's just fun to do and I really enjoy doing it. And again, I know I'm gonna get use out of all these products, it was my worst one though. Like I think last year's was so much better. So I'm hoping that next year I'll get like a better box, maybe with some more Visear, Natasha Denona, those kind of products. But overall, still like it. Don't hate it. But it is definitely the worst one. So yeah, if you did the Lucky Bag for Beautylish, I would love to know what you got below. Let's see how your box matched out. Were you happy with it, disappointed? I would just love to hear your feedback. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.